Welcome back, anglers. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 3 best spinning reels of 2025, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're after smooth drag, lightweight build, or serious durability, these reels deliver top performance on the water. From freshwater to saltwater fishing, we've got you covered. Stick around as we break down features, performance, and value to help you pick the right reel for your next big catch. Number 3. The Penn Pursuit 4 Spinning Reel is a standout performer in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Built with a corrosion-resistant graphite body and a durable anodized aluminum spool, this reel is designed to withstand the harshest fishing conditions. Weighing just 350 grams, it's lightweight without compromising on power or performance. The Pursuit IV's HT100 carbon fiber drag system delivers a maximum drag of 15 pounds, allowing anglers to battle strong fish without wearing themselves out. It features a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio, retrieving 37 inches of line per turn, perfect for fast-paced inshore fishing. The 5 stainless steel bearings, including 1 instant anti-reverse, ensure buttery smooth operation and instant hook sets. Anglers praise its longevity and toughness, especially in saltwater. Many users report using previous Pursuit models for years with minimal maintenance beyond a rinse and seasonal greasing. The size 4000 pairs beautifully with rods in the 7 to 11 foot range and handles braid or mono effortlessly. Ideal for surf fishing, inshore game, or even lake adventures. The Penn Pursuit 4 is one of the most reliable spinning reels in the $60 price range. If you're looking for durability, smooth performance, and value, the Pursuit 4 is a solid choice for both novice and experienced anglers alike. Number 2. The KastKing Spartacus 2 Spinning Reel combines performance, durability, and sleek design, making it a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced anglers. Weighing just 358 grams, this reel features a reinforced nylon body and rotor, offering lightweight handling with the strength to tackle tough conditions in both freshwater and saltwater. One of its biggest strengths is the 22 pounds max drag, powered by a sealed triple-disc carbon fiber system. Paired with a stainless steel main shaft, brass pinion gear, and Hamei cut precision gears, it ensures a smooth, quiet operation that holds up under pressure. The 7+1 shielded stainless steel ball bearings and ceramic line roller contribute to its exceptional casting performance and durability. KastKing's signature KISS, KastKing Intrusion Shield System, helps protect the spool, rotor, and body from water and dirt intrusion, adding to its long-lasting reliability, a feature users love for its resilience after repeated saltwater use. The striking striker green and black design, EVA handle knob, and well-balanced feel make it visually appealing and comfortable for long fishing sessions. User feedback confirms that it's not only affordable but highly effective, delivering smooth drag, quiet retrieval, and increased catch rates. If you're looking for style, value, and real performance, the Spartacus 2 is a reel worth owning. Number 1. The Daiwa Revros LT Spinning Reel is a feature-packed, lightweight powerhouse designed for versatility across lakes and rivers. Available in sizes 1000 to 1600, this reel impresses with its ZNV body, a cutting-edge carbon resin composite that delivers both strength and ultra-lightweight performance. With its air bail system, line management is flawless. The hollow stainless steel design ensures maximum rigidity while guiding line smoothly to the roller. The air rotor enhances sensitivity and rotational balance, making retrieves feel incredibly fluid and responsive. Anglers will also appreciate the machined aluminum handle, ergonomically designed and screwed directly into the body for added durability and comfort. With a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio for +1 ball bearings and a compact but strong build, the Revros LT delivers consistently smooth drag and efficient line lay. The C-type spool design, larger line capacity on a smaller body, is a favorite among users, offering a high-capacity setup without the bulk of a full-size reel. User feedback confirms its reputation as a top-tier spinning reel in its price range. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, or cichlids, this reel balances beautifully on light rods and performs exceptionally well with braid. If you're looking for reliable, affordable performance with premium features, the Revros LT deserves a spot in your tackle box. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 3 best spinning reels in 2025. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fishing gear reviews, and drop a comment below with your favorite reel. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Tight lines, and happy fishing. See you in the next video.